Turn to page 47 in your student books. In this unit, we are talking about scientists digging dinosaurs' bones and the process they use to uncover and preserve them. The word dig is in the story. Dig is a word that has more than one meaning. Some words not only have more than one meaning, but they function differently when used in sentences. In other words, they have different jobs. For example, the word dig can be a noun, a word that names something, or a verb, a word that shows action. It all depends on how it is used in a sentence. When we read, how do we know which meaning is used? We look for clues around the word to help us. If I say, don't make digs about my singing, I am referring to critical comments. It means that I don't want you to make fun of my singing. One of the definitions of dig is a critical comment about a person. I want you to find the definition on the map and use the word in a sentence with a partner. Then I want you to write the sentence below the definition. What if I were to say, I dig your outfit? What does dig mean in this sentence? That's right. In this sentence, dig is not a noun, but it is a verb or action word. In this usage, dig means like. As you can see, this small word has very different meanings. That is why we must pay attention to the context around the word so we know exactly what is being said. We don't want to think we are being criticized when someone is actually telling us they like something. Let's try another one. There is a topic that I want to know a little more information about. I am going to do some digging. What does dig mean in this example? With a partner, write another definition and sentence using dig. If you can't think of one, use the dig that paleontologists participate in. The sentence needs to have enough details to make the meaning is clear. Now turn to page 48. You are going to do the same thing with the word log. If we think of trees, does the word log come to mind? One of the primary definitions of log is a thick piece of wood. A log comes from a tree. It can come from the trunk or a branch. Find the definition of log on the map and think of a good sentence for this usage and write the sentence below the definition. Have you ever heard anyone say something like, I logged 50 hours at work this week? What does log mean in this usage? Write that definition on your maps. What would be a good sentence for this usage? You are going to write the sentence below the definition. Now, complete the process until the map is complete. In Unit 1, we began grouping or categorizing words according to their function in a phrase or sentence. Some words are naming words that answer the question who or what. What is the name of a category for words that answer these two questions? Noun is the label we put on naming words. You probably already know several different ways to categorize nouns. One way to sort or categorize nouns is whether they mean one or more than one of something. A singular noun names one thing. This word contains a clue that will help you remember it. Singular is a form of the word single. If I have a single sheet of paper, how many sheets of paper do I have? Singular nouns refer to only one something. When the naming word or noun refers to more than one, it is called a plural noun. I have a pencil. I have pencils. The naming word pencil changed when I needed to refer to more than one pencil. I added an S. For many nouns, all we have to do is add the S to make it plural. Endings such as S provide clues related to a word's function within a sentence. If you take off the plural S, the word that remains is the singular noun. We are going to do an activity in Nearpod as a drag and drop. You are going to determine if a noun is singular or plural.